Configuring a door open sensor. Install your toggle switch on input 1 on 0 volt and DOS as illustrated. Step 2. Select the reader profile of the reader containing the door sensor. This can be done under Setup, Hardware, Reader Profiles. Remember that any changes to a reader profile affects all readers in that profile, so separate readers where required. We are going to create a new reader profile and link our reader containing the door sensor. So click on the plus button to add your new reader profile and give your reader profile a name. Click on the selector arrow and we are going to select the default reader template. Click on your Readers tab to link your reader and we are going to select the reception in reader. Step 3. Configure your door open sensor input on that reader profile. So click on the Inputs tab and click on the Add Input button. Give your input a name and select the type by clicking on the selector arrow. The type we're going to select is the door open sensor assigned to all. And click on the Save button. Step 4. Adjust the door timer if required. This can be done under the Actions tab, under Door Timer Allowed In. Click on the Edit button and scroll down. Here we have two options. Door open time, that shows you how long the door may stay open, and door open delay, that shows you how long before the door needs to be open. Step 5. Map the exit reader's allowed event to the entry reader's door timer. Doing this will give you a transaction in the event that the door is forced open. This can be done in the reader screen, that's under Setup, Hardware, Readers, edit your reception out reader, and click on the Actions tab. Click on Event Actions. Click on the selector arrow to select your event, and the event we're looking for is Allowed Normal Out. Now we want to unlink the door timer allowed out and link the door timer allowed in action. So scroll down and look for the door timer allowed out and untick it, and look for the door timer allowed in and tick it. Next, we'll be testing out our door open sensor, and this can be seen in the transaction screen, which can be found under the dashboard, under the Transactions tab. The first scenario we are going to test is badging our tag on the reader and not opening the door. As you can see, we have the door opening sensor door not opened event. The next scenario we are going to test is opening the door without badging the tag on the reader. We have the door open sensing door forced event. Now we're going to close the door. We have the door opening sensor door closed event. Next, we are going to badge our tag on the reader and open the door. We have the door open sensing door open normal event. Now we're going to leave the door open. We have the door open sensing door open too long event.